Hey everybody, in this video we are going to take a look real quick at how to fix finger interpolation. So this what you see here is what I'm talking about. The problem is that when you're animating now in control rig, it kind of defaults to moving all the fingers at once, which may be useful at some point, but it can be a pain if you're trying to just correct an animation that you did in mocap. So we're just going to take a look at it real quick. All right, so what we have here is default level with a mannequin. Here I have some motion capture files that I brought from my motion capture system. I already did retargeting. I'm going to do a video on how to do that, but today just focusing real quick on the finger interpolation stuff. So if we go and make a level sequence and bring him in, delete this and this, so we can bring in the animation. It's actually this one. Let me copy and paste so it's faster. There you go. Okay, so we have this animation that is not looking good, needs all sorts of cleanup, but we're going to focus on the fingers today. Okay, so again, don't look too much at the poses, but look at the fingers. If you see how they look, I don't know why they come this way from my motion capture. They always come this way, like horrible claws. I don't know if it has to do with the fact that the sensors don't have splaying. Splaying is when you move your finger side to side, but this is the result. So the way that I've solved this is first I need to bake this to a control rig. So let's just make a small slice of this animation into control rig so it doesn't take forever. Right click, bake to control rig, and in this case, CR mannequin body. The reason why I'm doing this to the mannequin, not to a metahuman, is because pretty much every animation that you get into the mannequin skeleton will work fine in the metahuman skeleton. So I'd rather do it with him without all the hassle that a metahuman has polygon-wise. So in here, I usually never change anything, so just hit create. And here we are, everything baked to control rig. Now, one of the problems that you have and that I mentioned is when you go this way and you want to move your fingers, you see that all the fingers move at the same time. That's called interpolation, and that really sucks, and I dislike it, and I don't know why it's here by default, but we're gonna solve it anyways. So go to the search bar over here in your sequencer and search for, or you can search for auto. I was going to search for interpolation, but you can search for auto too because it's auto interpolation. And you can see that it highlights these bones. However, you will see the auto interpolation once you open these little drop downs. So if you open them all, you can see that it's on all the time. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all these keys and uncheck all of these. Now we just come here and then we just make one for each just to make sure that it's checked. And we are done. Now we can come here, pull this down, and we can move our fingers independently. If we take out the angle, we can see that it doesn't move like it used to, whereas if this auto interpolation was on, then you will have everything moving like the first time. And there you go. Now you can move your fingers independently and you have no problems with all the other fingers moving at the same time. That being said, if you want this back for whatever reason, you can just check it and just create another key. And that is it. All right, everybody, that was it. Just a quick video on how to fix that. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, leave a like, and leave a comment. It really helps a lot now that we're growing again from scratch. I'll see you in the next one.